colorists, I'm super impressed at the level of mixing that I know I can come up with and establish.
Probably the top deal for me would be the amount of color that I do not waste. I can go in for with the slightest amount to a shot and be absolutely precise.
A lot of my clients can tell a difference as soon as we're done. They ask me did you add a treatment? Did you do something different to my hair? And it's all just the color.
I have way less colorways, and also too, I'm able to keep better inventory of what I'm using in the salon.
You have every color you need. You don't have to go anywhere. Everything's done right here.
This is the first change in 100 years.
You can take a picture of your actual client and it can formulate the color that you want from there.
The color just really softens the hair, adds that moisture, and I just think it really, really adds that shine that everybody just is missing.
And believe me, when you're doing color with this color factory, you are on top of the world. You already advanced to the digital era.
You can make as much as you want, as much as you need whenever you need it.
And this is something that I honestly feel can revolutionize the hair industry.